I am doing number 28, where we are finding the extreme values on the graph of y equals 3 over 2x to the 4th plus 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 10. Now to do this, we have to take the derivative of the graph using the power rule. So y prime will equal 6x cubed plus 12x squared minus 18x. Now we need to set it equal to 0 so we can find where it's 0. Now, where it's 0, the slope of the tangent line is 0, which means the derivative of 0, which means that's where we'll find the min or the maxes. So we take out a 6x, so we're left with x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Then you factor out the x squared plus 2x minus 0, so it's 6x times x minus 1 times x plus 3 equals 0. Now you take each one and you set it equal to 0. So 1 is where x equals 0, and x minus 1 equals 0, and that becomes x equals 1. And then we have x plus 3 equals 0, which turns into x equals negative 3. And so the three values is where x equals 0, x equals 1, and x equals negative 3. Now to find the position on the graph, we'll plug those into the original equation. So we have y equals 3/2 x to the 4th plus 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 10. And so we plug in 1, so we get 3/2 1 to the 4th plus 4 1 to the 3rd minus 9 1/2 plus 10. Now we simplify all that out. It becomes y of 1 equals 3/2 plus 4 minus 9 plus 10, which turns into y of 1 equals 13/2, and we put the position is 1, 13/2. The next one we're doing is y of minus 3. The same thing, we plug it in to the original equation. And this simplifies out to minus 115 over 2, and the position is minus 3, minus 115 over 2. The last one is y of 0, and we plug the 0 in for the x's again, and because everything times 0 is 0, we're left with y equals 10, and the position is 0 of 10.